Hello, room two. It's me, Mr. Dowd, saying hello on a Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. We'll talk about what I have on the schedule up there in just a moment, but I hope that you have been doing a lot of great learning. It was great to see some of your faces at Mrs. Ha's music class today. We'll find out if we're going to continue that. There's some conversations happening right now around Zoom and what that means in our school district. So parents, just be patient again, and we'll keep you posted on whether or not we'll continue that. Let's see. Let's jump right in. We're getting into this routine. Remember, a routine is when you continue to do things at the same time or maybe kind of the same way every day. So every day on my board over here, you've seen word study and writing, you've seen reading, you've seen math. When you do those things at your house is totally up to your families. So remember to be a first-time listener and follow them because they will tell you when you're going to be doing those things. Okay, but it is good to be in a routine. I definitely keep my routines. Shave my face, take care of the house, do what I need to do. I eat my breakfast, I eat a lunch, and I eat my dinner, and make sure I get my exercise, and then I make sure I'm doing my work just like I'm supposed to do. It's also an important part of the routine is to make sure you've got time to play and time to take those breaks. Always come back after the break and then continue your routine and the work you're supposed to do because you are so close to being ready for first grade. Super excited about it. I just wish we could all be together, don't you? That's a sigh. Sigh. Well, we're still going to have a great day. That's what we do. We have a good attitude. Here we go. Word study. We're going to talk more about Magic H, but this time we're going to look at digraphs at the end of words, not at the beginning, not like ship or chair, but we're going to see if we can find some at the end of words. So whoosh, get ready because you're going to be hunting and searching, trying to find those digraphs that end the word. Right here, it says digraphs at the end of words. Push, push, sh, much, ch. So you can watch the digraph video that's down below. All of those examples are digraphs at the beginning of words. And it's a good thing to help you remember what digraphs are. But now, remember how you look all the way through a word? Don't just look at the first couple letters. That doesn't give you enough information. It doesn't give you enough letter sounds. You need to look all the way through the words. Look at the last two letters. That's where you'll find the digraphs at the end. Maybe you won't. If you don't, move on to another word. But you're going to be searching for digraphs. If I start with push and I go all the way to the end, there's the sh right there at the end of the word. Woohoo! All right, writing. Oh boy, we have done so many different types of writing. How-to books, letter writing, just practicing sentences. Today what I want you to do is I would like you very much to write a true narrative. Narratives are stories that are true from your life. They're fantastic. I love reading narratives and I love writing them too because that's about you and it's true, things that happen to us. You're going to write a true narrative about someone you miss from class. Just think about one person. If you got more time, you can do a second writing. You don't just have to do one, but draw a picture of you spending time with that friend. You're going to see them soon. As soon as you get into first grade, you'll see them again. But right now, they're up here. And they're in here. They're still your friends, and they miss you too. So what I want you to do, write a true narrative about someone you miss. And then talk to your family. Maybe we can send it to them. Take a picture. You can talk to me, parents, and I can get you the contact information for that other family. And then you can send it to that friend and talk about filling a bucket. Whew. Reading. Now, this time, I don't just want you to sit with a book on your own. I mean, I always do, but this time I want you to read with an adult. And after you read with that adult, Your job is to retell the story. So if they read you a book, families, close that book. Say, so do you think you could tell me the most important parts of that story? And then listen to your child. Find out, can they tell you the names of the characters? Can they tell you the problem in the story? How the problem was solved? That's called the solution. Can you retell the story? But you can't just tell the story any way you want. You have to start at the beginning and go to the end of the story. So tell the story in order. All right? That means you have to remember the words of the story and what is happening in that story. All right? We're going to practice retelling. And then you can check to see if you got it right. All right, for math, you're going to work on math mountains. Oi, those tiny tumblers be back again. They're always getting up there in the morning and then rolling one way and then rolling down the other way. Check out the video. There's a video on the tiny tumblers and math mountains. And now we're going to do math mountains up to 15. All right. So families, if you can't print out the math mountain page that I'll put up there, then just take a piece of paper and draw 2 diagonal lines. Just draw those 2 diagonal lines, write the number on top. Some tiny tumblers go to left, some tiny tumblers go to the right. You'll see the video down there. All right. Superstars, room 2. I was thinking it'd be kind of fun. Yesterday we sang the respect song. Let's sing the responsibility song. I will record these songs again and put them up so you can just listen to them and sing along. But for now, let's just sing it together. Are you ready? I'll get your hand ready because you're going to pat yourself on the back. Responsibility. Yes, you can count on me. I am responsible for what I do and what I say. Responsibility. Yes, you can count on me to do my best every day. So do what you're supposed to do and do what you say you'll do. If you do not try at all, you make yourself so very small. If you do your very best, the consequence is happiness. Responsibility. Yes, you can count on me. I am responsible for what I do and what I say. Responsibility. Yes, you can count on me to do my best every day. Go ahead and rewind that and sing it again if you want to. All right. Thank you again, Ms. Schreiner. She wrote that song too. We're so happy to have her in our community. Okay, room 2. Are you ready to go? I know you are. I miss you. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work and responsibility. All right. Have a great day, everybody.